Sync your PC and phone easily with PhoneLink. Use PhoneLink to connect your Windows PC to your Android or iPhone. The PhoneLink experience starts on your Windows PC and the PhoneLink. From your PC, you can connect to select iOS, Android, Samsung, Honor, Oppo, Asus, and Vivo devices with the link to Windows app that's either pre-installed on your device. You can find the link to Windows app under the Quick Settings menu by swiping down from the top of your screen, or for all other Android devices running Android 7.0 or later, download the new link to Windows app from the Google Play Store or iPhone App Store. This link between your Android and iOS device and PC gives you instant access to everything you love. Read and reply to text messages with ease, view recent photos from your Android device, use your favorite mobile apps, make and receive calls, and manage your Android device's notifications right on your PC. The PhoneLink requires the following to work: a PC running Windows 10 with the May 2019 update or later, or Windows 11, an Android device running Android 8.0 or later. Your phone and your PC both need to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Set up PhoneLink now. Follow the steps below to synchronize your Android or iPhone and Windows PC. Launch PhoneLink here or search for PhoneLink on your Windows 11 PC taskbar. You may be asked to sign in to your Microsoft account if you haven't already signed in with Windows. Select Android or iPhone and scan the QR code to complete setup. In the mobile app on your Android device, select Link your phone and PC. When asked, "Is the QR code on your PC ready?" select Continue. After scanning the QR code, you may be asked for additional Android permissions. These permissions allow you to access content from your phone on your PC. Follow the prompts on your Android device and then select Done. Then return to your PC to explore the PhoneLink. Keep up with your chats. You won't need to unlock your phone to check your messages anymore. Microsoft PhoneLink enables you to read texts and respond directly from your PC. Take and make the call from your computer. Review your call history, search contacts, or dial to make calls, all from your Windows PC. Stay on top of your notifications. Check, pin, and dismiss notifications. Microsoft PhoneLink allows you to customize banner alerts to your preferences.